Good morning, class. How are you all doing? Hope you all had a great weekend. I sure did. Very relaxing. Great weather. Amazing. Very blessed to live in California where we have good weather most of the time. So it is a little hot today, but always happy and blessed that we have great weather. Well, I hope you all had a great weekend and are back at it this week. I did grade all assignments that were submitted to me by last night, so everything should be graded. Please take a look at your grades. I do want to give a shout out to this class. Most of you are on top of it and are doing well. I do want to, make an announcement. There was an error on the quiz in regards to a specific question with when assignments are due. So I did give everybody 1 point that attempted the quiz. So I did bump your quiz grade up a point. So everybody should receive an extra point. That was a mistake on my part. So that is already rectified, and I added a point to each of your scores. If you didn't take the quiz, then you didn't get an extra point. So that out of the way, we are already writing into week number 2. Okay, so here we have a chapter that we got to read. It's Discovering Yourself. Okay, there's a PowerPoint here that follows the chapter. So please make sure that you are that you have your book and that you are reading chapter 1. And here it really just provides a little quick guide on the chapter. Okay, so I have a nice little PowerPoint here that you could use to follow along with your readings. Okay, so it's really about discovering yourself, and what I mean by that is like, who are you? Why is success important to you? How is success important? What type of skills do you need to be successful, right? So it's really just talking about you, and learning about yourself. So that's chapter 1 there. You do have to do the reading because you will have a couple quizzes that will test your knowledge on that. So the assignments for this week, we have 2 discussions and then 1 journal entry. Okay, these journal entries will be part of your chapter reading. So the first journal entry is on page 47. So you could do the journal entry on page 47 or the skills snapshot on page 58. Okay, so you could do either or, whichever you decide to do. I don't care. It's up to you. Okay, so here I want you to complete the journal exercise by typing up both the questions and the answers in a Word document. After you've completed the assignment, save it to your computer and upload it here. Please make sure your answers are thorough and there's evidence of critical thinking, okay? So please, students, I want to see some critical thinking here. For each question, please provide a full paragraph, 4 to 5 sentences. And then, make sure that you read the chapter before you do your discussion board, okay? So this is the journal entry or the skills snapshot. So you could do either or. It don't matter as long as you do one of them and you upload them here. 10 points, and it's due Sunday by midnight. Okay? So that is your first assignment there. And then you have 2 discussion boards worth 10 points each. So the first discussion board here is about strengths and weaknesses, and I want to know, where were you surprised, or do you agree with your strengths and weaknesses worksheets results, or why not? And again, this will make sense after you read chapter 1. Okay, please make sure you complete and full sentences. Let me read that again. Please make sure you answer in complete and full sentences to receive full credits for your discussions. Okay, so here I want you to tell me about your strengths and your weaknesses. Okay, so that's worth 10 points. And then we have discussion number 3. This is about learning styles. So I want you to reflect on your current study skills. Okay? Even if you don't have any, just tell me why. and answer the following questions in a paragraph format. So you need to answer 3 questions in a paragraph, okay? Not each question needs to be a paragraph, but these 3 questions should amount to a paragraph, okay? So what are you doing now? So what are your current study skills now? What can you change based on your knowledge of how you learn and strategies suggested? So what can you change of what you're currently doing now with studying? What can you do better? And then please list at least 3 specific examples of which preferred learning methods you plan to incorporate into this semester. So what are 3 specific examples that you want to incorporate into this upcoming semester? Okay? So, this is all, again, learning about yourself, your learning styles, and you telling me, okay? So that's your discussion boards, and you do have 2 quizzes here, each worth 10 points. All right, and the quizzes will be testing your knowledge on chapter 1. Okay, so that is week 2 in a nutshell. It is going by really fast, so please communicate with me if you need extra time or if you need assistance. If you see anything weird with week 2, like anything that doesn't sound right, go ahead and email me. I'm here to assist you. But other than that, that is all I have for you all today. So have a great week. Best of luck, and I'll see you all on the next. Take care.